Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart Android. For this, just hold your power button for 2 to 3 seconds and you can see this kind of options here. Maybe you have in this restart option maybe you have the reboot option, so you can just tap on it and you can restart your phone or reboot your phone, or maybe just you can slide this white button here and you can restart your phone. So yeah, that's the easy process. If you found this video helpful guys, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.